Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, March 12th, 2012. Let's get right into the charts here. We'll start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. They are trading lower this morning by about 3.5 points, right to around the 1369, 1368.75 level. They're flip-flopping in here. But once again, futures are coming under a little bit of pressure this morning. We'll see where this market winds up. Right now, futures are trading lower. There's some economic data out there that could be a little bit on the downside. It looks like out of China last night, looks like the Chinese economy is starting to slow down a little bit more. Also, out of Europe, you have unresolved problems, and we'll see if this Greek bailout deal starts to get passed and go through. Also, there's other rumors out there that Portugal, Italy, Ireland, all going to need some more economic help. So we'll see how that all plays out as well. So sit tight, be a little bit on the cautious side this morning, at least at the start of the day. What I would recommend is just simply watch the U.S. dollar index. When the U.S. dollar index starts to move up, the markets will come under pressure and deflate. If the U.S. dollar index starts to pull down and move lower, then the overall S&P 500 and the rest of the major market indexes should inflate and trade higher. So that's what we're looking at the moment. But right now, dollar is not doing anything dramatic. It is basically lowered by about 3 pennies on the day, but it is a little bit off the lows, and it's had the last week has been pretty decent for the dollar as it makes its move higher. But in any case, higher dollar usually equals a deflating stock market, and we'll see if that is the case this morning. A couple of other things to look at quickly. Gold. It looks like spot gold is trading at the moment. It is trading down about $13 to $1,698 an ounce. You'll take a look at the GLD this morning. Punch that up. You'll see that is trading right around $164.77. That is a decent little move down from the close on Friday, which was 166.73. So decent little drop in this morning on gold. So gold is moving lower. You'll probably see the same thing for silver. Sure enough, the SLV trading at $32.66. SLV closed at $33.22 a share on Friday afternoon. So gold and silver definitely coming under some pressure this morning. Let's take a look at oil, which is also coming under pressure. USO is trading a little bit lower, down around $40.59. You'll take a look at spot crude, which is trading down about $1.18 to around 106.20 per barrel. So nonetheless, crude is coming down. Gold, silver, all the commodities are moving lower this morning. So that is something we got to watch out for. And we'll have to just wait and see if this dollar stays strong today. We'll watch for most commodities to pull back in. If by some chance the dollar starts to fall, watch for oil, watch for gold, silver, all to catch a bounce off the morning lows. All right, there's not that much going on a Monday. It's a little bit on the slow side, but there are a few things to report in the stock land. It looks like Zoll Medical, let's pull that up, ticker symbol ZOLL, getting bought out today. So there's nothing to do here. If you own the shares, congratulations, you sell them up here. If you don't own them, you do not want to buy them now, and you do not want to short the stock. You just leave it alone. It is a takeover. It will just trade sideways for the remainder of the day. Okay, let's take a look at Oracle. Oracle's under a little bit of pressure. Downgrade from Jefferies today. The stock is trading around $29.59. Really nothing wrong really yet. Still a lot of support around 29 bucks. If it breaks through there, then we have to watch. There'll be more support around 28, and then more around 27 and a quarter. But that's what I'm seeing right now. A little downgrade for Oracle today by Jefferies, but I don't really see much damage there. Stock is trading lower, but it's not getting hit by a ton here. Just down a little bit, and still a lot of support around the $29 level. Let's take a look at this TUDO. This is another Chinese ADR. The stock is getting bought out today, I believe, by Youku. So big premium there. Nothing to do. I'm not sure if it goes up a little bit more, but I don't think there's much to do here. But this is a takeover as well. It's getting bought out by Youku. Let's punch that one up and see how it's doing. And you can see Youku today having a big move. So Once again, good reaction there on both stocks, but it looks like I believe Yoku is going to buy out TUDO. So that's what we're looking at the moment. There are a couple of other little stocks out there that are in play today. This ANTH, this stock is trading down sharply to around $3. There's really not a lot I would do with the stock at this point. It looks like it's completely broken down. I would just leave it alone. There's really not. This Anthera Pharmaceuticals, there's just not a lot to do at this moment in time. Here's another biotech that looks like it broke down. I believe it's a biotech. TZYM, there's another one. I don't know it, but nonetheless, this one looks like it's broken down as well. There's not a lot to do here. These stocks have taken out major support, major support levels, and I just wouldn't touch these things. Okay, it looks like that's pretty much all that's on my docket this morning. There are a few other movers out there, but nothing major, nothing big. Again, the To-Do and the Yoku are the big ones. Really, the market right now is just trading down a little bit more. So we'll have to see where this market heads today. Again, keep an eye on the dollar. The dollar will tell you a lot, especially after the opening bell. It has even more power then. If it starts to fall after the opening bell rings, then the major stock indexes will usually move back up. But watch that dollar, and if you don't have a chart of the U.S. dollar index, you could always use ticker symbol UUP after the opening bell rings. It's pretty effective. Alrighty, with that said, everybody, have a great trading day, and I will see you all tomorrow morning. Take care now.